Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use APA format in Word. First, let's set up your document. Ensure your margins are set to 1 inch on all sides. Choose a clear, readable font like Times New Roman at 12-point size or Arial at 11-point. Remember to double space your entire document from the title page right through to your references. For professional papers, a running head with a page number is also essential. Moving on to your title page and abstract, these are crucial for a professional presentation. Center your paper's title, your name, and your institutional affiliation on the title page. Don't forget to include a page number in the top right corner of every page. Your abstract should be a concise, single paragraph, typically between 150 and 250 words. Also, indent the first line of each new paragraph by 1/2 inch. Now, let's talk about citing your sources within the text and structuring your paper. For in-text citations, use the author date format like Smith 2020. If you're including a direct quote, remember to add the page number, for example, Smith 2020 p25. APA also uses 5 distinct levels of headings to help organize your paper clearly. Level 1 headings are centered, bolded, and use title case capitalization. Finally, we arrive at the all-important references page. This section should always begin on a brand new page, titled References, and centered at the top. Make sure to double space all your entries and apply a hanging indent of 1/2 inch for each one. List all your sources alphabetically by the author's last name. Be sure to include all the necessary publication details specific to each type of source you've used.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.